Hi everybody, welcome back to the craft room. Diane here. Today I'm back with day 5 and day 6 of the 7 Days of Summer collaboration between Dear Julie and Cara Brandon. First I want to show you what I did with day 5. I had these lovely digitals. This is Dear Julie's. This huge watermelon rind here and all these beautiful fussy cut fruits. So colorful. And then we also had this lovely collage page from Cara Brandon. I did a couple different things. First I want to show you, I did do the cover for the journal I'm going to do with this, and I used the collage sheet on the front here. This is half of day 5, and this is the other half of day 5, and then this was day 2, and the other half of day 2 on the back. And some red and white check for a picnic. So that's going to be my cover. I think I'm going to sew around it, and then I want to do some kind of focal thingy on the front there, but my brain hasn't told me what that's going to be yet. So hopefully we'll get to that soon. So the other thing I did with the collage page is I made an envelope. I haven't glued it together yet because I'm not sure if I want to tuck it in a pocket or if I want to sew it in. So I'm going to leave it open in case I want to sew it in. But I also lined it with part of the day 2 collage. Those are very similar. I lined it with the day 2 collage paper, and I inked around the edge there the little festive berries. So I really like that. Okay, and then with the fruits, it just called to me. It said, make a snippet roll, make a belly band. So I did a little tuck spot with the big watermelon and some of the fruits, a label in one of the jars from the other day, and then I made a belly band with the other fruits, and the watermelon is the base there. I put a piece of file folder on the back because I didn't feel like it was sturdy enough once I started gluing, so I have that, and then I have some of the fruit here, a little word, some of my fabric and lace, a ticket. This is a piece of ribbon that I cut out. I have this strawberry ribbon that I found at Joann's, and it has cool little strawberries on there, so I cut some of those pieces out of the ribbon, put one there. Another label from Cara. Alright, so that was day 5, and then day 6 we have this pocket from Cara Brandon, 2 tags, 2 journal cards, some circles, and some little ephemera. And then Dear Julie's day 6 is this large journal card and some smaller cards with the little girls on there. So for day 6, I did a simple pocket with Cara's pocket, and then I backed the journal card and the tag on some music paper. So those will go in there. We'll attach those to a page once I get a little further in the journal. And then I used Cara's large journal card. I turned that into a big tag with a little tuck spot on the side. And then I backed this one with tea-dyed paper and this one with the music. And I added Julie's little girls to Cara's tags and card. So I think those came out cute. I'm pretty excited about this, and I can't wait to show you day 7 in the works. So I really appreciate everybody watching along, and if you subscribe to my channel, thank you very much. I appreciate that as well, and hopefully you'll have a crafty day. Thanks. Bye.